Is crypto a scam? Is Bitcoin just a bubble? Or is this the future of money?
If you want to understand crypto, not just follow hype, watch this video till the end.
To understand crypto, you must first understand blockchain. Blockchain is a digital record book, like an online accounting ledger. But instead of one company controlling it, thousands of computers verify the same data. That means
No single authority, no manipulation, no full transparency. Once data is added to the blockchain, it cannot be changed. This is why blockchain creates trust without a middleman. Now let's talk about Bitcoin.
Bitcoin is the world's first cryptocurrency. It was created because people wanted money without banks controlling it. With Bitcoin,
No bank approval, no borders. Direct peer-to-peer transactions. Bitcoin is also limited, only 21 million coins will ever exist. This scarcity is one reason why Bitcoin has value. So why does crypto exist? Crypto was created to give people
no bank approval, no borders, direct peer-to-peer transactions mean. Bitcoin is also limited, only 21 million coins will ever exist. Let's be clear, crypto is not a get-rich-quick scheme, not gambling. Crypto is technology, economics, psychology.
People who learn, survive. People who chase hype, lose. In the next episode, we'll learn about crypto wallets, private keys, and how to stay safe. Subscribe for daily crypto lessons and smart investing tips. Remember, crypto rewards patience, not shortcuts. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice.